Now we are heading to our workshop in the second floor. It's the workshop 1. You'll see our hanging systems. Let's see how many outputs did you get today. For example, for this production line, it set a goal, 15 pieces every hour. And for the first hour, it finished 17 pieces jacket. And for the second hour, they didn't calculate the data. But for the third hour, they finished 34. So they calculate the output together and mainly catch the goal. Great job. Oh, it's very easy. So let's see how many production line here. 1, 2, 3. This one is not a production line. It's all about hanging the materials into the hanger. Firstly, after we finish the cutting, all the cuttings will not touch the ground. It just put in the shelf and go up to the second floor. And now this lady will put all the cuttings to the hanger. The hood, sometimes for some parts it's already finished with the template machine, and then go to this hanger, flow to the production line. So it's all about the workflow. So the hangers go to the production line. Here is a connecting rail. It connecting the 3 production lines. So as long as the people set the route in the computer, they will go as the thing. So the workers only sit in their seat and waiting for the hangers arrive. And finish the process and press the button. And the next one will get the hanger to do the next step. So here is the first part of the production line. They are doing the facing. Do all the hood, packet, pocket flap, all the process about the outer jacket. And here is the standby area. Because you can see, it's the second part of the production line is doing the lining, like the padding, like the inner pocket, everything, and they can combine together and to get it finished. I've already get the data. Each day, a production line can finish about 200 pieces jacket. I mean, the complex jacket. If it's a single lining jacket or it's easier product, they can have bigger output. So you can see all the products didn't touch the ground, so it's very clean. Actually, it's upgraded many times. And the first time, all the people standing in a line and leave a basket in the middle. So if the worker finish one process, they put this one in the basket and flow to the next one. It's also good, but everything needs to be done by the people. And now we're using the hanging system, so they will use the computer, use the systems to organize the route for it. The workers no need to go around, so the workshop is also safer. And they also no need to calculate the output every day. Each time, every day, when they get off the duty, watch the computer, they will tell you the results today. So let's visit the workshop without talking.所以这个是围剪了吗，阿姨？
这个是第2道剪。
第2道剪还不是围剪，我看它几乎完成了呀。
还有一道要0.1是门剪，那么下摆把那个扫。
哦，那我们总共是有几道检验呀？
有3道检验。
3道。哦，哪3道呀？
第1道就是领布跟面布，第2道是那个套里套完后，第3道是那个门剪。
那这件就是套里套完之后。然后这个检验完了，通过了，然后才可以再压那个线，然后才是真正的围剪。